U Superintendent Kipulet ke East Khasi Hills Urituraj Ravi ulong bahag stoding Kipulet Kleop Diang ya ke Ejahar no Symbud Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla bakladon ke Kawang AA ha ke iingsah jong u bat Kipulet mentai kedang kemi benia bantiap bakade ke kata ka kenjatiar ke bagi runar ke Kawang ha ke iingsah jong uba snyau halang dahar. U Superintendent Kipulet Symbud ban batai AA la Kawang Petrol Bomb kumbal keno. Mereka Kipulet kidang penlong ya kejing toket, bad ulaong ban sepentip kam hadian anda kilalap kejing shisha baro. Kipulet kila register mokot duma halor kene kejing ja, bad kejing toket menta kerang ya ceprang. Bad kila penjuru kejing pahara ke iingsah jong Symbud Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla. U Superintendent Kipulet ula pentip ru bagi la register mokot duma halor kawai kejing ja, bagi runar kila Kawang Petrol Bomb mekawai ke kali ke ba jing ya da, ya u director ke Nipko. Nre kene kejing ja syamladon kanu kejing jular ne kejing mensau. Ula kenturu ikipat ba ke Jylla bakim dai ban syem ka an hala kejong kikti. Nre bakin ai kejing trailang ha kejing toket bat ban buat ya ki kendron an.
So today we received one FIR from Sir Deputy CM regarding one object that was hurled at his place, that is in Nongmensong. We are still investigating what that object exactly is, and we will update you once further details emerge in this. We are investigating. We will share the further details as and when they emerge. It is an object which we are trying to investigate and to find out what exactly was.
But it is alleged to be a petrol bomb, sir.
We are not ruling out anything at this stage, but as and when we get more clarity on that, I will update you. So the other incident that you are referring to is about that convoy of NIPCO director, wherein a burning rag was thrown on the vehicle, which landed on the escort vehicle. However, there were no damage or injury in that. In that case also we have registered the FIR. We are investigating that. We urge all peace-loving citizens of the state not to take law into their hands and to cooperate in the investigations that are going on and follow the rule of law. All the vital locations and all vulnerable areas, we have beefed up the security.
Was there any fire attached to this object which has landed?
I will not comment on that at this instant. We are investigating. No, we are alert and we are on the job, and all the investigations are being done in a thorough and professional manner. And we are confident, we are hopeful that all the perpetrators of any crime whatsoever shall be brought to justice.